really powerful automation that I built from n8n. So this can grab YouTube channel RSS feed, then it can get a video ID, then it can get transcript, then we combine all transcript and generate a summary from ChatGPT. Then we can create a LinkedIn post from that. Then we use generate a step-by-step guide using. Then we use newsletter to generate, and then Twitter post and YouTube short video script. Then we save into Airtable. Also we can save into or directly post in our LinkedIn account and Yes account, or short form script we use Hazen or 11 line to combine and generate a video. So that I show you in next video how can I do that. So newsletter we need to connect our MailChimp account or any if you use. So guide we don't, if you want to generate you can generate to share your team. So let's build. So simply go to click here and workflow and personal in, then go make sure you log in your n8n account. Then here I can click on new workflow. I simply save it, don't forget that, and go back. First of all we need to add RSS feed. So this is the channel that I use. I simply use CTR plus U to get a view source of this channel, and simply type CTRL and feed and simply search it to get a feed. So I am not seeing any feed. I think this is not working in my browser. So I simply copy the channel link and go to ChatGPT, and I simply type I need RSS feed of this channel. I simply paste it. Now it gives me this URL link, and simply I copy this. To get RSS feed of the channel we simply need to add feed.video.xml, and this will be our channel ID. This will be any of channel. We simply replace your channel ID from this to this, then it can show your channel. I simply paste it. Now here you can see we get a channel. I simply go back to n8n and add a script, and I simply type RSS and to the RSS feed trigger. And then we simply paste it here, your channel, and simply click on fetch test event. Now it is now fetching YouTube channel, so it can only fetch one video only, I think one video only. So this is title will be instantly connect n8n to Airtable like a pro. This will be the video. I think it need to fetch many, but it can only fetch one. So let's continue with one. Now we need to get a transcript. Here you can see we need a transcript of this. So simply test execute a workflow and get a data. So to get a transcript we need to visit RapidAPI. Make sure you already created an account on RapidAPI. So this is easy for us. So I search YouTube video transcript. Simply click on search, and here we can get a YouTube video transcript. Simply open n8n in a new tab and see the paging instruction, and this work not. So I open multiple one to see if any of them work not. So I open two and also see this one. And also open this one. Now it is loading now. We simply need to wait a second. This is data video information or download section. So I need only transcript. This will be subtitle. Okay, let's continue with this one. Here is get transcript with video ID and URL. This will be watched subtitle. Means same. So this gives us 100 credit every month for free. So let's copy. Let's begin with URL. So when we go to URL, we don't need to get a video ID. We don't need video ID. So simply copy this much. So okay, and URL is equal to, simply copy this and go back to our n8n. Let's type HTTP and HTTP request. Just click on this, click on import URL and go back to n8n and simply copy this part and go back to n8n and simply paste here and simply click on import. Now it can import everything. So here you can see everything it can import. In your case URL will be different for your. We simply need to change the URL our video. So this will be a link. Here you can see we got a link. We don't need to set any variable. We don't want to do more long step. Try to do less. So here you can see we simply need to tab label. I need to go back and I simply select the wrong one, music, and add type. Simply click on the table, click on create on the air table. Here you can see we got a script. This will be a half. Here is the full transcript and this is in JSON format. Now go back to again step. So we continue, get a set the link, we don't and get the video ID and get the transcript. Here we can do this much part, and we have only one transcript, so we don't want to combine, and we use agent to summarize this YouTube video. So go back to n8n and tell to summarize, and go to AI. AI agent use. You can also use ChatGPT to summarize this, and we simply click on define app below. Please, or we can also copy this prompt from here. So if you don't want to do this much, I simply click on submission and open. And simply copy this. Simply copy this and go back to our model and simply paste the prompt. And see everything is working. Now I simply tell, here is transcript. Now it can summarize it. I simply copy the transcript part and simply paste it here. I think it can't copy it. You can see this can successfully. Now I need to add a AI model. We can use ChatGPT or any open or any free model. So I use ChatGPT for this. I have credit on that account, free credit. Something you can see. I use this one and go back and simply click on execute workflow, and this can run from beginning to end. You can see this can work successfully. Now we need to craft. Now we need to save it into Airtable. So we need to connect Airtable. So let's type Airtable. First of all, we need to create account on Airtable. I think I already have account. So let's guide you some demo. Now the website is opening. It can take a lot of time to open. And go back to n8n and simply type Airtable. And simply choose the Airtable, and we want to create a record. This have also this guide. And open it into new tab. Here you can see. So we need to set up and create DALL on this Airtable account and open this one, and this will be create an Airtable account. Then we need to open this personal access token. First of all, we want to show you some basic of Airtable. So we need to first of all create a workspace. So the workspace name will be YouTube, and simply paste it. And we need to create some sheet on this account table. So we need to rename into content and simply name it plan, and we use table to content. I type content only and just simply save it. So we want to convert into various part, we simply convert into newsletter. Here you can see we want to convert into LinkedIn post, step by step guide, newsletter. So let's type everything, newsletter, and text, change this into long form text and simply save it, and also convert into this into LinkedIn post. Please select this one. I think the why this is not selected. And click on edit field and simply type into LinkedIn post. I simply save it, and this will be our guide, step by step guide, and change into this into text, long text, and simply save it. And you can also color, summarize. Please play with if you want to understand. And this will be our text post, edit field, and simply use long text, and one will be newsletter, a script, and this will be our script, and simply change into long text and save it. Now go back to our this website, and we simply need to create a workspace. Simply open this in a new tab and copy this part. We simply need to add this into our Airtable API. If you have any problem, I already make a video how to connect Airtable to n8n, and simply click on create a new token and simply name it into YouTube and address scope and CTR-CF and CTR-V, and we need to add 3 record. I can read and write and paste dot read, and we need to add a base. So our base name is YouTube, already name it. You can see this will be our YouTube, and the name will be content plan, and simply create a token, copy this, go back to n8n, click on create a new credit handle, paste it, and just save it. So there is a big problem, my net is going. I need to wait couple of minutes. Please skip this part to continue. I do anything to fix. If you have any problem to connect in n8n, please read this guide, and this can help you everything beginning to end to connect. You can also customize it. Okay, we need to go to upgrade it. Okay, my network is coming now. Let's continue the part. Go back to n8n and just save it. Okay. Having a little bit issues on network. It means no internet problem. What is this happening in recording video? This is the I don't like this. This is the chatbot assistance that can you use this to create any workflow. If you have any problems, you can also tell. You can create also workflow, anything. So let's save it. You can see this can successfully save and cross this. No thank, and we need to choose our base. So the base name is content plan, and why this can open, bro? Content plan, and choose this will be content, and we need to upload manually without name into same like this. Now we use ChatGPT to create a content. So we need to another one step. We use ChatGPT to create content. So go to OpenAI, and I found this great hack. Click on message and model. So we don't need to add multiple AI agent to do same work again and again. So I use only one AI message and model agent that can do everything. This hack is great that I found. And click on message and model, and we simply need to output as a JSON, output content as a JSON. We need this one for this hack. So no time to write a prompt to get this hack. So please write in prompt in your behalf. I tell ChatGPT to I need newsletter. You can also use ChatGPT to write it. I need newsletter. YouTube script. YouTube. I think I had a spell wrong. Just first. Legend post from this. And I simply drag to output this one here to here. And simply can execute a step. And we need to add an AI model, so use any of this. So I use GPT meaning. GPT 4.0 meaning, and use this script and go to execute step. Here you can see I get the output. Now the ChatGPT is doing their work. I forget to write a guide in this model script. And guide. This can take a lot of time. Oh. Why did this, man? So let's make it here and use this to get a better version. Simply stop it and make sure you save it and schedule it. Yes, you can get a body script. So let's add into our error table. So this will be our YouTube search script. It can, I think I write a prompt very bad, so I get this output. I simply need to write in a correct way, so I simply need to drag to again and again. Just do this like this. Next we erase space to look good, and this will be for our repost. No, this is used for our newsletter. So newsletter title will be this one. Make sure I already created another column for this. Please write. Please do yourself. I don't write a bad prompt, so I get a bad output. Please fill with your sense. Where will this is the repost. And just execute a step, and this will be run on our Airtable account. Here I can show you. Now it is working. Now it will go here and we can see it. Now we'll go back to our engine, and it can think it wait now posting on multiple social media platform here. So use Twitter to post it here. We simply need to create a credential. So click on create it, and we simply need to set up credential. Here we can find the docs how can set up it. I think I already have one connected, and I need to simply paste the output from here and drag and simply set up it and forget. And same for our LinkedIn post. We type LinkedIn and set up it, create a post, and can do with yourself. Let's play. We can do this much part in a very small, I make it very small workflow, not doing that much. So okay, bye. Let's execute it again. So I need to connect this to one, so only then it can workflow execute. So I simply delete it and show you this much process only. What is the problem that is not executing? Okay, bye. See you in the next video. Next topic.